Hello everybody, welcome back to Cafeadoniya Academy. In this video, let me show you how to make the ever so popular Rasmalai cake. For this cake, I'm using 3 layers of my vanilla cake, 7-inch, store-bought Rasmalai, and a secret ingredients which is store-bought badam milk. You get it in any Indian sweet shop. This is a game changer, but optional, not absolutely necessary. Now for the cream, I'm using non-dairy whipping cream and some roasted pistachios, also some saffron stands. Now let's start with whipping the cream first. Now I'm using 2 cups of non-dairy cream. You can use dairy whipping cream also if you get that in your country, but unfortunately in India it's very difficult to find. So I'm using 2 cups of non-dairy cream. Make sure it's chilled, a few saffron strands added to it, and half a cup of the Rasmalai milk. Beat it on high speed in your stand mixer or with your electric hand beater. Now till this is whipping, let's go to the cake. Now take off the caramelization of your cake on top so that you have an exposed cake sponge to soak up all the delicious Rasmalai flavors. Do this with all the layers you're using and set it aside. Now our cream has whipped up finally. I also added a few teaspoons of the badam milk, if you noticed. And now I'm adding a few drops of yellow food color just to brighten it up and play the part of the Rasmalai flavored milk. You can add as much or as little as you want or totally omit this. It's absolutely fine. Now make sure your cream is nicely whipped and has these beautiful peaks so that you can decorate it. Now I have my Rasmalai all squeezed out of the milk, and to the Rasmalai milk I'm also adding my badam milk. Now next, keep a cloth over your turntable or your work surface and nicely soak the vanilla cake layers with this Rasmalai milk. Now don't be afraid of it dripping all over. You want the cake nicely moist with this Rasmalai flavored milk, and keep it aside for 5 to 10 minutes until it completely soaks up. Once that's done, I'm layering the cake with the Rasmalai flavored whipped cream, pieces of Rasmalai, and toasted chopped pistachios. Once all the layers are stacked and filled, start frosting your cake with the beautiful Rasmalai flavored whipped cream. I'm doing a crumb coat so that I seal in all the crumbs and the cake is nice and ready for my final coat. I'm just using a plastic scraper. If you want to purchase the same, check the description box. Also the recipe for the vanilla cake, the video recipe. If you want the recipe for the eggless vanilla cake, which I'm using in this video, the link will be in the recipe box below. Now for the second layer, I've added 1 or 2 drops more of yellow food coloring just to make it a little more vibrant, and I'm doing a nice thick coat with the Rasmalai flavored whipped cream, chilling it in between, and now decorated with more whipped cream, roasted pistachios, some saffron stands, and of course edible silver leaf. You can also use some dried rose petals if it's available and make it as festive and beautiful as possible. This is a very popular fusion cake flavor which I've absolutely started to love. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe and hit the bell button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, take lots of care. Bye-bye.